How to enable and use live notifications on PrizePicks. Now, if you wish to enable or use live notifications on PrizePicks, first of all, you must enable notifications from your phone, and then you have to later enable the live notifications within the application. So basically, once you open the settings app on your phone, based on whichever phone that you're using, what you have to do is go ahead and first of all open the notifications tab, and once you've done that, simply go to app notifications and simply look for the PrizePicks application right here. If you don't see it, tap on all apps, or you can also search for PrizePicks manually, and once done, you must first enable the notifications from here. Now after that, you can go over to the settings from the PrizePicks app and scroll to notifications, and over there you'll be able to have a lot more control. You can also tap on show and use categories as well. This way you should be able to enable and use live notifications on PrizePicks. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.